Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making a K-pop journal spread for Tomorrow by Together's new song Blue Hour. I mean, it's been out for a while now, but the newest song, I guess you would say. Um it is freaking amazing. I love TXT. I guess I don't know if it's supposed to be TXT or text. I just always say TXT. But they are so good. Like, I love their discography so much. I don't really stan per se, mostly because they're really young, but their music is amazing. Like, I am so obsessed with their music, and I love the aesthetics of this music video. Like, the carousel and all that stuff is so fun. I love the pinks. I love Yeonjun's mullet and his cowboy look. It's just so fun. Like, I really love it a lot. So I was really excited to make a spread for this music video just because I love the aesthetic of it. So I really wanted to focus on the whole carousel aspect, and that's what I was going for when I was taking screenshots for this spread, was, you know, pictures from the carousel and stuff like that, because I really wanted to focus on that because it's like my favorite part of the music video. And I really wanted to do stuff with the pink colors because I thought that would be fun. And so I chose this bright pink scrapbook paper, which in retrospect may have been a mistake. I just almost feel like it's not quite the right pink color. Like, it's a little bit too bright, a little too saturated. And later on, it kind of ends up okay, but it also, I don't know. I'm still kind of on the fence about it. So here I tried to balance out that super bright pink color by adding a little bit of it onto the other side, just so it wasn't like so, I don't know, in your face. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about it, guys. I really don't. So I decided to go back with my sort of older style of lettering, where I like sketch it out first and outline it and then color it in instead of like using an actual brush pen. And part of that is because I wanted the colors to match exactly, and I didn't have a brush pen that matched, and I wanted it to be kind of a gradient, so I ended up using my Ohuhu alcohol markers to color it in. And I do think the lettering is one of the things that I did end up really liking about this spread. I think it looked pretty cool. Even though it's like that same kind of bright pink color as the scrapbook paper, I do think that it ended up kind of redeeming parts of this spread for me. So one thing that I feel like can really make lettering look like different and dynamic is honestly just to do like a different color of a drop shadow or something. Like it seems so simple, but it just really can make your lettering look really cool. And because the photos that I chose for this spread are like pretty soft, like soft color scheme, I didn't want to use like a darker gray or anything like that as a drop shadow. So I decided to go with yellow because it's one of the main colors that I was going for in the spread. And honestly, part of the reason why I think I like this lettering so much, I just really like pink and yellow together. I think that they just really complement each other. So I put the lettering in there and I was kind of starting to think like, okay, like this is not going so bad now. I kind of like it. And then this is where I went very wrong. So I really wanted to add some lyrics from the chorus that I like. And I was trying to figure out where to put them. And I was like, what if I just read it on this pink? And it looks ridiculous. Like it's just like in the center of the pink, and I wrote it and I was like, I don't like this. I'm just gonna leave it for a second, and I left it there, and then I added some washi tape, and I just ended up deciding to double down on it, and I went back in and finished the lettering, and I just really hate it. I shouldn't have done this. I feel like I totally messed it up. I was trying to decide whether or not to try to fix it and like take it out and add a different piece of paper or something, and I just was like, it's too late. I already wrote it with the gel pen. I'm just gonna have to finish it out. And so that's what I did, and I really don't like it. And then I was like, okay, well now it looks weird because there's this writing in the center and nothing else. So then I was like, well, I need to add some kind of decoration. So I added these. They almost look like flowers, but the inspiration was actually the Ferris wheel. So it's just like one big circle with like a bunch of little circles around the outside. And so I added that into all of the pink scrapbook paper, which does kind of balance out the words a little bit, but I still don't like it. And I just really felt like I totally screwed it up when I started putting that lettering in there. Yeah. So overall, this is not one of my favorite spreads. I'm kind of sad about it because I really love this song and this music video, and I really wanted to do it justice, and I just feel like I didn't. I mean, it's fine. It looks fine. I just don't love it. I really feel like I messed it up with the lettering on the side. Yeah, but I mean, again, it still looks okay. I don't like hate it. I'm just not 100% happy with it. But I feel like sometimes I need to share spreads like that because it's just a little more realistic. Like sometimes I make things that I don't like that much, and that's just part of being creative and doing any kind of artwork. Like you're not always going to love the end goal, and that's okay. Like that's how we grow and we learn from it and stuff like that. So if you still like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!